How to update Bilibili app. First of all, open the Play Store on your Android device. Next, use the search bar at the top to search for Bilibili and open its app page. If an update is available, you will see an update button. Tap on it to download and install the latest version of the app. Once the update is complete, open the Bilibili app to enjoy the newest features, improved performance, and bug fixes. If there is no update button, it means your app is already up to date. Sometimes, while using the app, Bilibili will itself show a notification prompting you to update the app. From there, you can also update the app easily. Updating your app ensures a smoother experience, access to new features, and better stability while watching videos or interacting in the community. Now you know how to update the Bilibili app easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.